folks. Oh God. I'm gonna CEC for sharks.
If the power goes out, it's your fault.
How good's your insurance?
I don't know. I don't own the house.
How good's grandma's insurance?
Probably enough to get more of these cheap things.
It works. It's scary. Yes.
Oh God.
That sounds threatening.
It's going to.
I mean, I expected it to do that, actually. Fully what I expected when I turned it on. I fully expected it to do that.
Into it.
I'm just nervous testing questionable fans because, you know,
Questionable.
they did come from the shit shack.
Hey, not everything here's that bad.
Um,
Well, that was out in the scrap pile.
that was out in the scrap pile.
Well, now you know why it was in the scrap pile.
No, not really.
Because it had bad bearings. It sounded like a train rolling through town.
Just hang on.
Wait.
What are you doing?
Okay. Don't mind Gabe. He's just singing to himself. I think he's seen the Hat Man today.
The Hat Man!
Being acoustic.
The Hat Man is back.
Man, that little is slow.
Hold up, why do Heritage blades fit CEC?
Oh.
Heritage blade arms fit CEC fans. They also fit Casablanca Lady Deltas.
Oh, it don't like going that way.
Uh-oh. It's going,
It's hissing at you.
It's angry. Still better than the Walmart fan.
Wow.
What? Why is it so long? Why is there a fire hydrant?
Because it's a fire hydrant. Shorten it. Because your fucking garage is low.
Low.
Should have got low.